Hi everyone, it's Miss Landry. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a choice board. So we use our choice boards in school as a means of communication using our visuals with our students. So what you would do to set this up is you're going to choose from the library of visuals that I'm going to provide. You're going to choose 4 that would be preferred activities. So here I've got our Boom Learning. I've got free time, eat lunch, or iPad. So with the Velcro on the back, so again, I like to use these little circles of Velcro that you can find from any dollar store. You're going to put the 4 visuals in the 4 boxes, and then we're going to use that as a means to communicate. So what you would do is hold up the choice board with your child, and you would say, what would you like? And from there your child can point to one of the visuals, and after they select a visual, you can then add that to our token board from the previous video. So if they've chosen that they would like the iPad, you can then place it onto our token board, and then that's going to be the preferred activity as soon as the work is done.